Now, the Jamaica Defence Force will have added attacking force when the quarter-final round of the Jamaica Cricket Association Michael Holding Senior Cup commences on May 10. JDF, who ended second in Zone D with 4 wins, 1 draw and 1 defeat, joined defending champions Kingston CC in the last 8. They signed off the preliminary round with an emphatic innings and 230-run win over St. Thomas Cricket Association at the weekend. Jamaica Scorpions player Tevin Gilzine with 291 runs has been showing good form, and the team will add more depth with the addition of more regional experience.
We have a lot of areas to work on because over the years we normally have more established players. We have less now. So I guess we have to put in more work in terms of the mental space of the players because we have less talent now in terms of second players who's coming into play also. We have lost Gordon Bryan and Andre Dennis due to overseas engagement. But with the help of Sheldon Cottrell, some experience, myself also will be playing. So I guess it will help the team in terms of experience.
Clarendon Cricket Association, St. Elizabeth CA, Trelawney, Westmoreland, St. Mary, Portland, Kensington, Mico, St. Catherine and Melbourne are the other teams into the next round. And staying on cricket, former Jamaican West